That is, oh, that's right, that's an H. Very good, Chloe. Oh, right there? Okay, there you go. Which one's that? A T. Okay, a T. That is a B. What's that one? An R? Turn. Turn.